Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming my squishy collection video and it's going to be pretty long, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first up I'm going to show you where I store my squishies, and I store them in this really big box, and basically, yeah, this is all of my common and my rare squishies like eye bloom and whatnot. And then in this box, I store my one-piece squishies. So here they are. Okay, so please excuse my voice since I'm sick. First, I have this jumbo panda bun, mini eye bloom peach, Hello Kitty strawberry, J Dream steam bun, strawberry choco teddy, this bagel, this Rilakkuma honey toast, this Sakura bread roll, croissant, this duck toast, this fish fillet, this non-reproduced Hello Kitty donut, this capybara-san squishy, this jumbo I Love Peach, Rilakkuma sandwich, this hot bun, this marshmallow, a grinning face bun, this peach man, OG pan, this panda bread, Hello Kitty and a bunny, this choco teddy, this breado bun, eye bloom tanker, this football squishy, this eye bloom caterpillar bread, this mini Ant-Man, this Rilakkuma dorayaki, this Sammy donut, this baby ram squishy, this eye bloom peach, this Hello Kitty posing squishy, this pancake, this roti toast, this sugar bread doll, this eye bloom tanker, this tutu kawaii toast, and it has this acrylic tag, Curatori ice cream, this eye bloom cat tanker, this I Love jumbo peach, eye bloom queen seal, this rascal squishy, Rilakkuma ice cream, this Hello Kitty soap squishy, this Doraemon bun, this donut, this bread, this chicken sandwich, this hamburger, this Woodstock bun, this My Melody squishy, this mushroom, this white onsen bun, this pudding, this pineapple, Hello Kitty, this Hello Kitty panda, this pink I Love Peach squishy, this strawberry Hello Kitty donut, this brownie bread doll, this green tea cake roll, this vanilla cake roll, Sammy macaron squishy that I decoed, this actor's dog squishy, this donut, Kiritori chocolate cooler donut, Rilakkuma dorayaki, this Aoyama Tokyo bread, this banana, Hello Kitty rice cracker, this red candy apple, Cafe Dien gelato, piglet toast, Hello Kitty posing squishy, OG Pan panda with a mustache, this Hello Kitty in a bear, Hello Kitty in a chicken plush costume, this mushroom Rilakkuma, chocolate Hello Kitty donut, Hello Kitty in a melon squishy, Hello Kitty soap squishy, this I Bloom burger, this Rilakkuma ice cream, this alien Zack squishy, this Murphy bun, another Hello Kitty soap squishy, Rilakkuma donut, black steamed bun, this panda bun, kissy face bun, this Rilakkuma stacked macarons, I Bloom vanilla shortcake, this caramel choco teddy, this Hello Kitty in a peach costume, this Hello Kitty soap squishy, Seroton chocolate cooler, Hello Kitty rice cracker, this cat, this melon pan turtle. I have two of these. This Hello Kitty in a apple, this panda bun, these two heartberries, where's the tag, this mushroom, Kiritori tagged waffle, this Sammy macaron snowman, this cupcake, oops, this kind of looks like a croissant, green candy apple, this decoed bun, My Melody jumbo mascot, another toast thing, Rilakkuma dorayaki, this strawberry mini cake roll, this fox cupcake, Cafe Dien strawberry gelato. I have these three minions, these two eggs, this cherry orange donut, Pom Pom Purin holding a hamster, this Daiso bun, this squeeze toy that's like squeezable, grinning face bun, tiny panda bun with a red bow, green tea macaron by Bretto, bear by Line, king Namiko mushroom, this little Kiritori squishy, chocolate macaron by Bretto, this sheep squishy, Moffies. I don't even know what this is. This maple squeeze toy. This bread. This pink I Blue mini peach. The Snoopy bread. Bretto bun. Pancake squeeze toy with Rilakkuma. Another Ant-Man mini squishy. This paw squishy thing. It's not a squishy, but you know. This blue bloopy. This Rilakkuma holding a toast with eggs. Another tiny bread. This really tiny bun. Pom-pom Purin holding a heart. Oh my god, I have okay, another turtle melon pan bun. This Gudetama egg. Cat mushroom. Chocolate cake roll. This pig chef. This strawberry with sprinkles and chocolate. This little My Melody mushroom. Okay, Sammy cream puff. This donut. This is like the fake Moni Moni animals. So, yeah. Baby tanker. This tanker with mosquito bites. I have these Moni Moni animals. So this one is a sheep. This Moni Moni animal, I forgot his name, but it's like a mythical Japanese beast or something. So yeah, but it's really cute. I like this one. This bunny. And this chicken. So now I'm gonna show you my one-piece squishies. This is Sanji. This is Ivankov. This is Brooks. Shanks. Robin. Law. Usopp. Frankie. Boa Hancock. She's super squishy. And then I don't know the rest of the names. Panda, 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 panda. Do you know that song?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna show you the Disney stuff that I store in here. I have this Little Miss Bunny squishy from Eugene. This Minnie Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Marie the Aristocat. I have this Stitch Air Squishy. This Donald Duck Air Squishy. Chip. And lastly, this Minnie Mouse one. Yay! Okay, so stop. Oh, that was my entire squishy collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And special thanks to my friend who helped me with this video. Bye!